Yes, back on the track again. Yeah, the Bob Marley tribute continues, y'all. Yeah, and as you see, I have the vinyl here to represent the moment in time in which we're in, the tribute time. And the album I chose for the vibe is none other than Catch a Fire. And this is the Abbey Road half speed production. You know, it's a technology in which they find some way to fine tune the music, slow it down a little bit, but give you more bass and more power to the music, to the sound. So yeah, Catch a Fire, the 1973 album. Yeah, man. So we're gonna keep the ball rolling. See the hypocrite, them a galang day. See the hypocrite, them a galang day, man go. Yeah. And I believe this is a Cox and Dot again. So let's get into it.
Dip for diplomatic, dip for hypocritic, drive for driver tourist, top for top for Norris. City hypocrites, them a galande. City hypocrites, them a galande. City hypocrites, them a galande. Them cut against them one another. Cut against them one another. Oh, them teach to love one another. Oh, them teach to love one another. Man, go. Them a run, come with them gabalicious. 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 City hypocrites, them a galande. 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 Man go. I dry a tap Norris. City hypocrites, them a galande. City hypocrites, them a galande. City hypocrites, them a galande. Man go.
Oh gosh. Drive for dryland tourists, top for top Norris. City hypocrites, them a galang day. City hypocrites, them a galang day, man go. Basically, this tune is just talking about hypocritical people. You know what they do, they act like they're better than people, them going like them, you know what I'm saying? They cut against them one another. They fight against them one another. They're gravelicious against one another. So stay away from hypocritical people. Keep it real. You understand? So that's that, you know. Keep away from the hypocrites. See them going on there. Basically, Baba Show say him separate himself from them, you know. And see them over there going on over there doing what they do. And that's what they do. They cut against each other. They're gravelicious against each other. They envy each other. They act like they're better than each other. But they're no better than nobody. You know? So make them go on. Don't fight and argue with them. And it goes so today, you know. You have some people want to fight and quarrel and cut you behind your back and don't even bother pay them not. Just make them go on. You separate yourself from them and make them go on. See them over this or go along there. Eventually them are go end up where them are go end up. Because life and time do just that. Life and time deal with people. You don't have to deal with people, you know. Life and time. Trust me. And who is the master of life and time? See. So we're gonna keep the ball rolling and keep it scrolling, right? Yeah. Ipa. A dipper. Going like the diplomatic. Far from it. Okay. Yeah. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. We're gonna keep the Bob tribute rolling and scrolling.